Welcome back, people. We have Mr. Vikas with us here, and he would like to share his experience on the mastery program that they attended. So, Mr. Vikas, on to you. But before we begin, I'd just like to ask you, where do you live? Like a bit details about you and where do you live? What's your job and what's your profile, basically?
Sure, Antariksh, and thank you so much, to arranging this session. I'm Vikas Gadekar. I have completed my master's in computer science, and I'm working with the EPAM as a lead business analyst. And I have total 14 plus years of experience. And throughout these journeys, I work with different domains like BFSI, automobile, supply chain management, logistic, and the GIS industry. So before I joined this course, I used to, getting onboarded to the client requirements or the client projects, and client used to ask us that this is the requirement and you have to document it, provide the solution, and so on. So whenever I have to come across such requirements, I have to go to the Google, search for those terminologies. I don't know whichever information I am searching for is whether it's a foolproof or not. Then some other day I came across with one advertise that hey, learn the mastery and be productive by 10x. So that was the Be10x advertisement, and I just joined their introductory session, and I got just boom. And then I decided to join that mastery class, and in the end, it's not the end, but yes, when I started working, learning the things from Aditya Kachave and Aditya Goenka, it was truly awesome, and it added so many productive skills, expertise, while learning those things. And now I can say that domain doesn't matter. In the business analyst role, domain is compulsion, where you have to you should have that expertise. Then only you can get into the market. Then only you can learn the processes, and then only you can work on the deliverables. But now in my case, it doesn't matter to me whether I'm from the BFSI, whether I'm from the automobile, or whether I'm the novice user. It doesn't matter. So now I can say that yes, I'm 100% ready for market. Go to the market, and I can easily take any domain to work on the deliverables.
That's perfect. That's perfect. So you said that randomly on social media you found this course, right? So,
Yeah.
but my question is, once you were there, and as you said, right, you were presently shocked, right? But like, what was the trigger point that made you buy the mastery program?
Okay, so very first thing was the creating or preparing a PPT, within a minutes. Okay, so when I used to work in the automobile industry, so automobile is a vast industry.
Yeah.
Okay, and when you design a solution, then at that time, you should know that what is there in the market and what should you have that challenging to that solution. So in that case, whenever we work on the RFPs, like preparing for the pre-sales activity or the solution to the existing challenges or the upcoming challenges. So at that time, it takes almost 2 to 3 weeks or a month's time to prepare that PPT, gather the knowledge, prepare the solution, then put it into the PPT, make the design, and so on. So it's like spending much time only for the PPT activities. So when I joined this intro session, and in that I found that hey, within a click of within a few clicks, or within a short period of time, I can at least get the industry standards or the industry insights what they're currently in the market, so that at least I can work on this solution, that it should be industry based, and this should be customer centric. So this was really a triggering point me to join this master class.
Right, right. That's perfect. So, can you let us know, how much time did it take you to complete the course, if you have, and if you haven't, what would be the ideal time if someone is starting from the beginning?
So I'm still in progress that working on the learning this mastery class. But yes, what Aditya mentioned, both Adityas have mentioned very first day that learn from us, practice it, and the rule number 3 is never forget the rule number 1 and 2. That's what I'm following currently. So whatever learning on the weekend session, even in case of any emergency I'm missing the session, that's truly awesome thing is that we have the recordings as well, so I'm following it and keeping practicing all those tools, whatever we mentioned in the session.
That's perfect. So that is you sort of being a good student and actually doing your work right. So like what have you seen any significant results? Is there a jump in anything in the office? Have you had more time? Have you had a salary hike? Have you had a promotion? Anything like that?
Anyways, that's promotion and salary hike cycle was already closed when I joined the company. But yes, we used to have the every week contest, and touchwood, I am the leader. I'm leading the leaderboard now. I'm in the second position now. I won when I joined the company. When I joined the company, and before that I joined the Masterclass, so that I won the 2 contests back to back, and I won the goodies like t-shirt, water bottle, and so on. So it was truly amazing, so prizes doesn't matter, but the thing is that whatever you have learned, you are implementing into the day-to-day life.
Yeah, that is fantastic. So like, can you let us know more about this contest that you were talking about?
Okay, so it was a BA plus AI activities contest, and you get the 20 minutes and 10 questions, and the 10 questions are not just the MCQs. You get the MCQs, but it's like a para. You have to read that paragraph and then learn it, understand it, what exactly is asked for, and then you have to say the correct answer. But in the AI case, it was so many things which got already cleared, how that BA can use the AI things, how AI can be utilized into the day-to-day BA activities, so that it was truly easy for me to answer it within stipulated period of time.
Right. That is fantastic. And at the end, I just want to ask you that although your experience has been great, but there's always room for constructive feedback. So any feedback that you have for the whole workshop?
So as of now, I haven't found any specific things, but somewhere we keep the question answer session in the end, or later after the session. So it's like we seen that it's getting answered, but somewhere if it's possible, someone should acknowledge it and answer it if possible right away. That's only the one feedback I'm looking for. Otherwise, it's a truly amazing experience with the Be10x.
Perfect. Right. So thank you so much for your experience, because it was lovely talking to you. Hope to see you soon and talk to you soon. And till the time, keep learning at your best levels. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Antariksh, and have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vikas.